you tired of misplaced Apple Watch bands? Let us introduce you to the 12 South Store TimePorter wall mount display for Apple Watch bands. This luxurious and high-quality display holds up to 6 bands, but can easily be joined together by removing an end tab and sliding in the supplied bridge tab to display even more watch bands depending on your size collection. With its unique design, TimePorter securely holds all sizes and brands of Apple Watch bands, including metal, silicone, and leather. Just slip it into the protected soft silicone rail and it's in. Even with a shake test, it's not falling out or sliding. And removing it is just as easy with an effortless tug. It's also easy to install with no mounting holes by using its supplied 3M non-damaging strips. Just peel and press it onto your desired position for 30 seconds. Now you're ready to display your collection with this simple and sophisticated display and won't have to worry about mismatching or looking for the right one for your outfit.